In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TradingView on PCLaptop, Windows 11 10 2025. By the end, you'll have the TradingView desktop app installed and ready to use, whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11. See, even all you need is a stable internet connection and a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the TradingView website. From there, go to the pricing page where TradingView lists its subscriptions, features, and plan options. This page is also a handy place to compare plans later, but for now we'll use it to get to the desktop app download. On the pricing page, look for the top navigation and click the More menu. This expands additional options that aren't immediately visible on the main header. Hover your mouse over Downloads to reveal the available app versions, then click Desktop App. That will take you to TradingView's desktop downloads page, which is the official and safest place to get the installer. On the desktop page, click the For Windows button. This will start downloading the installer file for Windows. On most systems, it will be an MSX file named something like tradingview.msx. If your browser asks where to save it, choose your downloads folder so it's easy to find. If the download doesn't start right away, give it a moment or check if your browser blocked it and allow the download. Once the download finishes, open your downloads folder and locate the tradingview.msx file. If you can't see it, check your browser's downloads list or press Ctrl+J to quickly open your recent downloads. When you see the file, double-click it to launch the installer. Windows will open the